that's a keeper pompano. Oh, that's dinner.
Oh my gosh, that's actually dinner.
Wow. Oh yeah.
I'm so happy.
Good job. That's just on the squid, huh? We gotta do it again.
Literally squid in these beads.
We were just looking for shark teeth, and then this thing started going off like crazy. Is your adrenaline going or
yes,
what?
Did you see my leg shaking? I'm going crazy.
Woo. You pulled the spike out of the ground. Yeah. I thought I put it in pretty... Oh man.
That was really strong.
Yeah.
That was really strong.
And look at what it did. And this can go right back out there.
Yep.
The fishing gods have given you a pompano area.
Oh, fight! Fight, 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 fight!
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, the big one!
Oh my gosh. Steven called that.